Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect fall and winter boot, then these ankle boots right here from starmerx are it. I am obsessed with these boots. I absolutely love this beautiful light brown color. It kind of reminds me of a really nice natural camel tone, which matches with so many different styles and colors. I love these boots because they are an ankle boot and they fit so nice around my ankle. I'm not wobbling all over the place, but it's also not too tight. It has a very nice and comfortable fit around the ankle. The elastic side panels make these so easy to slide onto. And let's talk about the super cute platform and chunky heel. That is what drew me to these shoes. I just love the 2.5-inch chunky heel. It is so cute. These boots are perfect to wear with jeans or leggings. I personally love the look of them with a cute pair of black leggings. If you're looking for a very cute, comfortable, and versatile boot to add to your closet, this ankle platform boot from starmerx is an awesome choice. And that's my point of view.